Hi, I'm Brittany, a career educator in the Office of Student Engagement and Career Development. Today we'll be discussing how to use LinkedIn to connect. LinkedIn is the world's largest online professional network with more than 562 million users, including 200,000 U of A alum. The mission of LinkedIn is to connect the world's professionals. It's a common misconception to think that you have to be a working professional or in a job search to need a LinkedIn profile, but the platform is a useful networking, research, and job search tool that you can utilize now to move forward in your career. You can utilize LinkedIn to connect with your current network, expand connections, and keep up with organizations and industries of interest. 75% of hiring managers report using LinkedIn to learn about candidates, so having a polished profile offers the unique opportunity for you to present your professional brand and give insight into your personality, skills, and strengths. You can begin optimizing your LinkedIn profile with a few easy steps. LinkedIn profiles have several components, so let's go through each one to see how they contribute to your personal brand. Viewers' first impression of your profile starts with your profile photo. Members with profile photos get 14 times more views on average, and it communicates that you are an active user of the platform. Your photo doesn't have to be professional. Just a clear photo of yourself with an appropriate background and a friendly expression works just fine. Consider adding a background photo to enhance your personal brand. Underneath your photo is your professional headline. Your headline is your professional slogan, a short phrase or description that captures who you are as a professional. You only have 120 characters, so keep it succinct. Your headline will default to the most recent experience from your profile if you choose not to create one. But it's worth the time to write a headline that is consistent with your professional journey. Your headline is visible when other users search for you and can help you stand out in the crowd. Check out some examples to see how students have described themselves in their professional headlines. Keep your industry in mind as you craft your headline, and don't be afraid to browse other profiles to see how other people in your area of interest have described themselves. Your summary is what ties together your experience, personality, and skills. You want to write in your own voice, but keep the content professional. LinkedIn limits this section to 2,000 characters, but as a student or entry-level professional, aim for 1 to 2 short paragraphs. This is a space for you to write about your professional journey, which can include your areas of interest, how you're pursuing them, and where you're headed. Your experience section is where you can add details about jobs, internships, study abroad, and job shadow experience. It helps to have a copy of your polished resume handy to ensure you don't leave anything out, but try to avoid pasting your resume bullet points directly into the experience section. Instead, look at each of your experiences and think about what you would add. What information did you have to edit out of your resume to save space? While still being succinct and focusing on the APR approach, tell the story of your professional experience in your own words. How you talk about your experiences can show your professional journey over the past years. This gives employers an alternate representation of your skills than what is on your resume. The education section is where you can add the schools you have attended. Include all majors and minors, since employers may utilize this information to find people from certain programs. If you have a strong GPA, specific coursework, or academic awards you want to add to an educational section, you can add it in the description section of each school entry. The skills section of your profile is where you showcase skills that you have attained, whether in the classroom, on the job, or even self-taught. They can include hard skills like proficiency in a certain software or speaking a second language, or soft skills like collaborative problem solving or interpersonal communication. If you get stuck trying to think of what skills to add, look at job descriptions of positions that appeal to you to help you identify skills that you have and stay current with industry trends. Once you add skills to your profile, your first degree connections can validate them. This is called an endorsement. Endorsements of your skills by people in your network add to the strength of your profile. Much like your resume, your profile will evolve as you gain professional experience. Learn more about online profiles and all things career related on our website at career.arizona.edu.